So this is US oil analysis for Wednesday the 18th of October. US oil also known as WTI. So let's go down to the execution time frame to see what's happened with prices. And let's just see, the 17th would have been there. So we've seen prices sell off from the level previously identified at 52.22. It did go into a bit of consolidation. What's happened with prices on the 17th? Well, we've retested the 52.22 level, and we sold off all the way back down to just all the way back down below support at 51.57. Now, the thing about support and resistance levels, if they are tested multiple times, either from beneath or from above, they usually break in the direction of which they are being tested. Now, we do appear poised for another test of the 52.22 level. Now, if this test is successful, we would expect prices to move towards, if we do break above it, consolidate, retest it from above before a continuation candle, a strong bullish candle, we would expect prices to move towards 52.80. That will be a short-term target, above which we'll be looking at 53.54, which is another major level above, and a medium to long-term target would be a 55. I think it's 55.21 level. We don't expect to get 55.21 possibly this week, but 53.54 is definitely possible this week, and 52.80 is easily attainable on US oil, as it is quite a volatile financial asset. So if we do go up to 52.22, and instead of breaking the level, we do have a strong bearish candle, strong bearish momentum off that level, 51.57 almost seems an inevitable level to be tested or broken. But below that, we'll be looking at 51, where we've got this 400 period moving average here in black, and the 200 period moving average currently sitting at 50.81. A successful navigation of those levels should see price come down to a very important level at 50.40, beneath which we'll be looking at the round number 50 and 49.60. Overall, though, I do expect prices to break to the upside on a couple of tests of 52.22. On a monthly time frame, let's have a quick look. So let's get on here. Correct. On a monthly time frame, we've had a series of higher lows. Prices did stall at the 55.21. Is it? Yes, 55.21. Does appear to be the top of the range at the moment. So we would need a successful navigation of that level for us to target $60. I do think, based on the current structure of series of higher lows, for prices to eventually head up towards the $60 mark. But we do have to be aware that we have been in the range for quite a few months now. So if we go down to the weekly charts, I think the range is more prominent there. So as you can see here, we've been in the range since pretty much mid-2016. We've been in pretty much a range on, it is a sizable range, but it's a range nonetheless on US oil WTI. And we are heading towards the top of the range at present on the weekly chart. And yeah, we have to see our prices react in and around the levels above. So on the daily chart, it is the structure of prices does appear to support bullish price momentum. We've had a series of higher lows and higher highs in a pretty much a stair-step fashion to the upside. So overall, that is my analysis for US oil, also known as WTI. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.